Welcome to Autofaze. On this video, we got a real treat to share. So I'm really excited about this. This is a promo video that we put together for Weld Wheels, the leader in drag racing. And when they first pitched the idea of us doing a promo video for them, I knew we had to incorporate the truck Weld off-road line along with their drag racing line, Weld Wheels, and kind of do a combo pot of all it takes to go to the track, you know, start to finish, doing some passes, the excitement that's involved. And I think it turned out really, really good, and I'm excited that I'm able to share it with you guys on here. So let's check it out.
Chillin' at the top, tell them, yeah, that's me. Yeah, yeah, tell them, yeah, that's me. Yeah, I'm chillin' at the top, ooh, yeah, that's me.
So what'd you guys think? It was an awesome opportunity to shoot this promo video for Weld Wheels. You know, I love that they're a staple in the drag racing community. Shout out to the guys at Mocan for letting us use the track for about an hour and 45 minutes to do some static stuff. I love the crew down there. Grassroots track, I absolutely love the vibe. And let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think it turned out really well. I'm excited about it. And we'll see you on the next one.